So you know how when there's a service and a drummer is playing and everything is going well, then he decides to play a drum fill and the drum fill is going off, like really off. This drum fill is like that, but in a good way. Hello players, welcome back. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. Okay, so growing up, believe it or not, I was quite horrible at playing praises.
Your praises drumming is still horrible.
Don't listen to her.
Horrible.
She's in a bad mood today. So what happened was, when I play worship, another drummer comes and takes over and plays the praises part. One day I'm like, you know what? I've been practicing praises. I've been practicing all kinds of things. I think I should take praises today. The other drummer is like, ah. I go to sit down and I'm going to play the praises. And I start playing. Then the leader is like, and if your church is like that, you know exactly what that means. It's like there's a swap going on. You need to swap. If you don't swap, we will stop the music for you and everyone will see the swap. So, yeah, that happened. So, this drum fill is what I wish I knew how to play back in the day. It's an amazing drum fill. Yeah, so this is a simple pattern, not too complex. I know when I say simple patterns, people are like, whew, that was complex, brother. So the pattern is divided into 4 parts, 4 simple parts. There's one on the snare, one on the first tone, one on the second tone, one on the floor tone. The snare pattern is six notes. What's happening to me today? YouTube is hard, you know. So right, left, right, left. You do a double stroke roll, then right, left. So this is the articulation of your hands when doing the double stroke roll part of it. Because that side you need to use your fingers to pick up the notes. And you should do it until you are really fluid with it. Okay, we are done with the snare. Let's move to the first tone. So, you put 2 notes on the first tone right after you play the snare pattern. You would like to see it with the metronome, right? Let's do the metronome thing. So the same thing you do with the first tone, do with the second tone. And with that, we would play 3 notes like this. That sounds beautiful, doesn't it? Yes, we are not done yet. So, we put 2 notes on the floor tone. So it would be like this. A good way to practice this is just to play all around the drums with it. That is a bit harder than just playing the fill on its own because you have to keep going and keep it smooth. And it helps build your muscle memory and fluidity in playing the fill, such that when you need to play it, it comes out just brrr. It's like butter. Why do I always say butter? I like cheese. I don't even like butter. Cheese is good. You can never have too much cheese. Facts. So let's play this with music. Oh, and the track that I used for this, you can download it for practice. There's a link in the description down below. And make sure you get the full version. It's a pack of 2 tracks in 4 variations that you can use for practice, you can use for performance, all kinds of things. And it's very immersive. Like, you're literally immersed in the music, and it sounds better, and it's amazing. Go check it out. Try and get the full version. It's cool. With that said, check out my app, the Drum Chops Builder app. It helps you to save your drum ideas, drum fills like this, and other things, other patterns. You can save it on your phone and go practice later. So if you're out and about, you're in town, you're doing the business, you're handling the stuff, but you still get creative drum patterns in your head, and you want to figure out, how do I practice this? You can put it on your phone. Then when you have drums, you practice it. You just play it back and practice it. It's amazing. It's like magic. You should check it out. Link in the description. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell to be notified every single time there's a new video. And follow me on Instagram at Jaystiqs. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. This has been your boy Jaystiqs. And stick with it. Stick with it. Peace.